Unlocking the power of mind mapping.
Mind mapping transforms the way you take notes. By structuring information visually, you can capture complex ideas, see connections, and remember details more easily. This technique is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone looking to organize thoughts more effectively. Let's explore how to create quick mind maps and use them to master even the trickiest subjects.
What is a mind map?
A mind map is a visual tool for organizing information. It starts with a central idea with related concepts branching out in all directions. These branches can include words, short phrases, or symbols, making the map as detailed as you need. Mind maps reveal relationships between ideas, helping you see the bigger picture and remember what matters most.
Step 1. Start with the central idea.
Begin your mind map by writing the main topic in the center of your page. This could be a subject, a problem, or any key idea you want to explore. Draw a circle around it to highlight its role as the anchor. This central focus keeps your notes organized and ensures all related information connects back to your main topic.
Step 2. Branch out key themes.
From the central idea, create branches for major themes or topics. Draw lines radiating outwards and label them with keywords or short phrases. These branches represent categories, questions, or key points. Don't worry about order, just get your main ideas down, leaving space for details you'll add later.
Step 3. Add details and relationships.
Expand each branch with sub-branches for supporting details. Add examples, definitions, or important facts. Use connecting lines to show links between related topics across branches. This allows you to visualize relationships and spot patterns, making your notes more meaningful and easier to review.
Tips for effective mind mapping.
Keep your mind maps clear and engaging. Use different colors for branches, symbols to represent ideas, and short, memorable keywords. Don't overcrowd the map. Focus on clarity over detail. Review and update your mind map as you learn more, making it a living summary of your topic.
Putting mind maps into practice.
Whether you're brainstorming, summarizing a book, or preparing for an exam, mind mapping can save time and boost your understanding. With regular practice, you'll find it easier to organize ideas, capture insights, and remember what matters most.